What's up, guys? It's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. And today we got a special delivery for the Ballistek EK. Let's go check this out. How you doing?
Hey, thank you, sir. Come on, brother.
Got that one right there? Yes, sir.
You don't want it?
I do. So I have to head back to work now, so tonight I'll show you guys what we got. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back. Unfortunately, it's not the night of the previous clip because, you know, I got tired coming home from work and stuff, so this is like 2-3 days later. So, but today we're gonna see what we got for the Ballistek EK, and with me I got my homie Lewis. Say what's up, bro?
What's up?
All right, bro. You want to rip this open, Lewis?
Yeah, exactly. Is that knife?
Yeah. So, let's see what we got here. Hit them off, Lewis. What we got here, bro?
Right here. Was it one of them old K24s? You got the JDM one or no?
Yeah.
JDM K24. All the way VTAC'd.
VTAC?
All the way VTAC'd.
VTAC.
Now here we got the old RS6 type S transmission.
Ooh.
Little gearbox.
No flywheel.
With the old school speed sensor. That's what you want.
All right.
That way you don't have to have the magnetic pickup that K-Tune makes. That you got to put 4 wires into the ECU.
K-Poon? K-Poon?
Yeah, do it old school.
You know, bro, I feel like some of the K-Tune stuff now, man, it's like, I don't know. It's just...
I buy it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I buy it.
I say all that shit, but I buy it too. You know, billet stuff just looks fire, you know?
But that customer service,
Yeah.
the customer service could use a little work, man. I don't know. I feel like I'm bothered every time I call them. I'm like, hey, man, what? All right.
Yeah, well, you know, I've never had any issues with their stuff except that throttle body that's in my car right now. But, well, today, what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna slap this motor onto the engine stand. That way we can clean up some of this room, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna freshen up my friend Travis's motor, the homie. Trevor. Where'd I get Travis? You see them white boy names, you know? It's just them white boy names. But anyways, what the plan is for this one is we're gonna take it all apart, and then we're gonna do what, Lewis?
I'm gonna Cerakote that engine. That's what we need to do. Cerakote the engine.
We're gonna Cerakote the whole block, so you guys make sure you stay tuned and watch every episode coming up. So let's put this on the engine stand. You think you can pick this up and put it down? Yeah?
Well, no, I know I can. With the, you know, a normal size of male.
You can't do me like that, bro. You know, we should purposely lose all these bolts and make them buy
Make
down
them buy the good ones? Yeah, good idea, Jin Mugen.
Just start on this side. It's
All right, so we got the tape, the ghetto tape job that we just did. Done. And now we're getting ready. What are we doing, Travis?
About to primer the engine block first.
All right.
It's all awkward. My name
Hey,
is Trevor.
Hey, you ask?
My
I'll tell
social
you.
security number is.
Damn it, Trevor! Why you have to be so white on camera, bro?
It's so white.
But that's how I was born, brother.
They put the H's in front of the W's. He's white. Oh.
Well, it works with your wrist. If you point your wrist down, the camera's gonna go down.
Don't tell me how to work a camera, Jinward.
Jinward.
Look at him, watch it. Look at him. That's a professional painter. We're gonna call him Edgar. Just made a jig for it.
So just FYI, I took over for Travis because his wrist was hurting. You know? So we just finished priming this. It turned out pretty good. So now we just have to wait for it to dry a little bit, and then we'll start painting. So,
I think you got
what kind of car you got,
I
bro?
think you got overspray all over the camera.
It's fog, bro.
I got Mustangs and Corvettes.
Mustangs?
You know, mullet cars. El
Stay
Camino.
away from my corner.
I got the El Camino
Stay
mullet.
away from the corner of my house, okay? With your Mustang. Alright?
Wild power.
And then Travis, what you got, bro?
I ain't got nothing but a Honda.
Yeah? What
Okay,
Honda? EJ.
EJ8. EJ8. No.
Don't be that guy. Don't be a hero, bro. No, these are the EJ. Shut up, bro. It's EK Coupe or EG Coupes. Say that. Say
Yes.
that more.
Thank you. Say it louder for the people in the back, bro.
The purest. No, not that year. Like, oh, here we go. Here we go. God forbid. You know.
Hey, what's his name?
Huh?
Authenticity is king.
Authenticity.
Is king, right?
Yeah.
Authenticity is king.
EJ8.
Alright.
Here you go.
Alright. I'm gonna kick this white boy out of my house.
That's all racial. Piece of racials.
Alright, so everything is dry now. I guess Justin Timberlake over here is gonna spray the paint. So let's go, JT. How you doing, baby?
Good. Night.
Good night.
Bye.
Love you.
Oh yeah, work it.
Oh, work it, daddy. Work it. Ooh. You got. Who you talking to on the phone there, buddy?
You know, the haters. The haters.
We're trying to convert another non-car guy into a car guy.
A V-hater.
Yeah.
Come on down.
Lay it on me. Pull up on me. Travis, pull up on me. Pull up on me.
It's like this way, that way,
Yeah,
that
well,
way.
this is just the first.
Especially because it has all those ridges too.
You want to do it or what?
Wait, see, that's what I'm talking about, man. Caucasians are so offensive, bro.
No, not even that. They're just ready to put us to work. Hey, you colored folks, do you want to do it or what?
Just FYI, we're not racist here.
Obviously not.
We got a Mexican right here. We got a yellow guy. We got a brown guy, and we got a white guy.
I'm
Don't
pink.
cancel us now.
I'm pink.
Don't cancel
We got G-Eazy over here. We got Pitbull.
Pitbull. Call me
And
SPM,
then we
bro.
got Jin the MC. You know?
Call me Dolly.
Look at that. We got the first coat laid. You know, to be honest, this is like the ballistic standard to paint your block, your engine. Because, you know, you can't be having that shit look crusty, you know what I'm saying?
I'm middle of the ball, you know.
And then,
It's
The goal is I am going to Cerakote the valve cover, a secret color. So you guys gonna have to wait and see when the car is done. But
Now I gotta upgrade every damn,
you see this?
every damn stuff.
You know, ever since he met me, it's you know, his world has changed. You know, his taste in women has changed.
Golly.
You know,
Tasting food.
I ate
taste
Asian
the
food
food,
tonight.
yeah,
Real
they're-
Asian food tonight.
Real Asian
See?
food.
you know, it's the Asian persuasion. I'm telling you, man. Y'all need to stop that Asian hate, bro. Cause we bring love. You know what I'm saying? By the way, I wish somebody would pull up on me.
Come on.
Pull up on me!
Hands and feet.
Pull up on me!
Hands and feet.
All right, so we're done. Now we're just gonna let it dry, and then once it dries, I'll let you guys see what it looks like tomorrow. See you in a little bit. What's up, guys? So today's day 2. The motor is completely dry already. It looks damn good. I took the valve cover off and sent it off for blasting because my blasting cabinet is too small, and then also because it has the powder coating on there, and that thing is a pain to blast off, especially when I have a small air compressor over here. So I figured, you know, it'd be easier if we sent it off and had it blasted and then come back and then I'll Cerakote it. But today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna blast this little VTEC solenoid cover right here. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. And then we're gonna clean up this water pump and cut off this part right here. We're not gonna need that, so make it cleaner, and then paint the water pump housing and put the motor back together, and I think that's it. And then we can get Trevor's motor out of here. That way I can start on the EK K series, because that's gonna take a few days. It'll probably take a week for me to like clean that, because with Cerakote it's a lot more sensitive, so we have to pay a lot more attention to details to that. So I want to get it extra clean before I Cerakote it. So let's get started.
Oh yeah. Looks good to me.
Look at that. It's clean now. All right, so we're gonna paint this cover first. I'm gonna use this Steelit stuff. I love this stuff because it's stainless steel laced paint. It comes out, it looks kind of like Cerakote, but in a spray can. I love this stuff.
Now we use this wheel grinder down. Make it look nice. It's tough.
It's day 3, and I think we're done with Trevor's motor. Oh, by the way, sorry about the last few clips. I forgot to zoom out, so footage might be a little ooh. But anyways, I think we're pretty much done. Some stuff he has to get new. I think it's better to get new as opposed to just painting it. And then today we're just gonna assemble everything and put it all back together and get the motor out of here so I can start with the EK motor. But here we go. Don't worry guys, I left the napkins in there because Trevor's got new gasket coming in, so he's gonna have to take this off and put the gasket on and everything before. So don't worry, I left it in there on purpose. Alright guys, guess we're done with Trevor's motor. I'm gonna leave the rest of the little knick-knack stuff for him to put together because he's gotta wait for his new seals and stuff like that. And then I'll finish his valve cover. I'll Cerakote his valve cover whenever, you know, that shop is done with the blasting. But we'll be starting on the Ballistek EK's motor next. We're gonna Cerakote that whole thing. So I'm gonna document everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please remember, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. You know, it doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps the channel, you know. Authenticity is king. Peace out, and I love you. Peace.